Hi guys, back with another video. Today I'll be installing my lash extensions. This is what I'll be using. I got the medium length because I really don't like the long length. It just looks weird on me. This is the little disposable lash one thing, mascara ones, whatever. Tweezers and some rubbing alcohol to cleanse your lashes from all the dirt, oil, debris, mascara, lash glue, and so forth. But yeah, and I have like this little cute little mirror right here. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, I bought this stuff today because I figured I might as well record a video or something because I'm off today from work and I have nothing to do. But yeah, and plus I'm supposed to be getting my shoes today. They coming in the mail. I'm so excited, bro. I really want these shoes. But now I'm finna cleanse my lashes. I ain't trying to do too much. Cleanse my lashes real quick. And the trash you will go. Cause they dispose them. Yeah, let me get right though. It's hot. So now I'm finna just get my little stuff set up and whatnot. This is the lash adhesive or whatever. If you can see it. She don't wanna focus. But you get the gist of it. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this video. I'll be real, like, I've been thinking about coming back to YouTube and stuff, but something in my head always been telling me like, nah, it's not that important. But I have plenty of free time and I'm bored, so why not? It's taking up time and I'm being productive. And yeah, and I'm trying to be like more of a people. What is this? More of like a people person. I'm trying to show more of my personality and stuff. Like with this little towel I got right here. We in my bathroom anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour like a little bit on the back of this little what my lashes came in. And we're gonna get into the video if this stuff come out. I'm not gonna put that. And that's enough. I'm gonna show y'all how much I put. Let me put the top on this. Here, as y'all can see, I put this much on there. Oh yeah, this top is from No Style, you know, it's cute. A little bralette, but we ain't talking about that. So let's get into this lash. I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna do a few first, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished results. Funny, bro. I need my own TV show. I really do. Cause I'm so funny. All right, ladies and gents. I put a little bit on it. You really can't even tell. But yeah, hold on, let me reposition it. Damn, nail won't let me be great. But yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more on there to really coat the little knot or whatever. Yeah, I really can't see it, but I put one on though. You know your girl, she be doing it. She be doing the thing. and one or twist. See, you ain't got time. Hold up, y'all. Let me get right. Like my technique, like I don't know how I'm feeling. So I might just do this eye first, then go to this eye, or I just might do back and forth. I don't really know. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished results when I get time. I'm gonna put on maybe like 1 or 2 more. Then I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna come back. Ooh, snap, I dropped it. Thank God it didn't drop in the glue though, you know? Cause girl. I need to put some glue on it cause this ain't. Why does it want to be crooked? Like, bro, watch out. My head and junk itching. I guess because I just put some oil on my scalp. That's why I want to itch and stuff. It'll be all good. As long as my scalp is moisturized, I'm not tripping at all. Look, y'all. Damn, I dropped it. But anyway, doing this, you have to have plenty of patience. And that's what I'm trying to teach myself. So, yeah. And plus, I get tired of like wearing the lash strips or whatever. Don't get me wrong, I'm not like, I like them, but I just get tired of putting them on and everything. These individuals will last me for like a week at the most, but I be getting tired of them, so I snatch them off. Cause I wear contacts and stuff, so sometimes it be getting in my eye. Well, I wouldn't say necessarily my eye, but cause you when you first do lash extensions, you can't like really touch. You can't put like water or oil around it, and you can't sleep on your face. And I sleep on my face, so I have to sleep on my back, and I have to sleep all pretty and stuff. So yeah, be getting complicated. Then your eyes still be getting crusty, so you have to clean them. Like it be a whole lot going on, y'all. So. But I like these though. They look so natural. I be getting so many compliments. Like, girl, those your eyelashes? No, but for you, I'm gonna tell you, yeah. What is that? What is that? What is that? It's like a piece of string or whatever. I should put my phone on Do Not Disturb because that's what I'm recording on. But don't nobody talk to me though or call me. getting somewhere. Progress, nigga, progress. Progress. Arm itching and stuff. Got it. I'm saying it. I understand. I don't know why that song in my head. Don't worry, guys. They look a little stacked right now. But this is what the little mascara ones are for. You actually like use them to brush out your lashes when you get done. I'm gonna show y'all when I get done though. I ain't finna start now because the lashes like they still setting and stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all how I brush them out when I get done or whatever. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm done with my lashes and I did my brows too. My lashes cute though. They not like as dramatic, but you know, they natural. I just wanted something to fill in my regular eyelashes. But yeah, so now I'm back. I'm just gonna brush them out real quick so we can finish this look off, y'all. And you know, it is what it is. Which one am I going to use? Boy, Mountain. We just want to brush out. So I'm just going to use. I'm going to use the lengthening. I don't really care. It really don't matter shit. As long as I brush them. As long as I brush them out, we good, poo. This pimple is really getting on my nerves, fam. Like, don't let a nigga be great. But I ain't tripping. So yeah, this is the finished product. Tell me if you guys like them or not in the comments. But literally it took me like 30 minutes to do these. And they so cute. Like, I really like these. They're not too extra. Because I don't really need no extra, you know, extensions right now. Because I don't really do that. But just go to work and come home, you know. I'm trying to blend my lashes in with them. All right, and we done, sis. I know the sun from this light, but from this window. But yeah, they so cute. You can't tell me nothing now. I got my lashes done. Yes, honey. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all what I got left. These are the only ones I have left. I kind of like made them thicker in a way. But hold on, let me give y'all a close up. Can y'all see? Oh, y'all can see. Oh, excuse me. But yeah. But thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More videos to come, guys.